All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're from, whatever time zone you're in. Holy. Josh, good morning. Knock, Island Blessing from Bermuda. Holy, where my invite at? I'm trying to come to Bermuda. What the hell? Vincent says, good night here from India, but I am asleep. Holy. Marbra, good morning. I'm on your team for the Grand Cup. Let's go, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Man, there's people that are just absolutely just holy. People are 23K in profit already. That's crazy to me. 23K in profit already. Absolutely insanity. Insanity, bro. I mean, what do you do? What do you do? Flacco. Bunch of those are going to get reset. Have they not already reset the ones who were cheating yet? Full porting the account. Oh yeah, everyone's full porting. That's the only way to trade these tournaments. That's the only way to trade, bro. The only way to do it. Good morning, Mom Bear. Oh, they would reset tonight. Ah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, they need to be. That's just insanity, bro. It's actually insane. Chat, I'm gonna have to DoorDash Celsius again, bro. My wife has some she's in school for permanent makeup, and she has a client that she has to do today in school. And so the kids are here, so I have to DoorDash Celsius. Kind of annoying, but you know what? We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We are going to do it because I need it. Unless there's somebody here locally that gonna bring me one. Also, I'm just gonna go to Sam's Club, bro, and just buy these in bulk. That way I don't gotta worry about it, and I can stock my mini fridge behind me. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go buy them in bulk. That way we don't gotta worry about it anymore. I mean, 23K in a day account, but in tournament, but won't make that trade in a live account. No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. I mean, it's tournaments. It's an easy YOLO. You know what I mean? Easy YOLO. Easy YOLOs. All right. Do we have? Let's take a look. Do we have news today? I don't think we do. What the heck just happened? There we go. Or do we? Do we? Yeah, we have PMI today. PMI today. PMI ski. Yeah, I didn't see my name on the team leaderboard either, which is it's strange. I'm up 2,000 on the tournament account. I just asked him why I couldn't see my name. So we'll see what he says. But yeah. Bielka, what's up? How you doing? What up? What up? What up? All right, so we do have news coming out, chat. We do have news at 8:45 and 9. So news here in 3 minutes and then also in 18 minutes. So be on the lookout for that. Don't get caught in some news. Probably just best to wait till after news comes out. Chat, we got the Celsius ordered. We're all good. Chat, how was y'all's weekend, man? How was y'all's weekend? What'd y'all do? How y'all doing on the tournament account too? Did y'all trade last night? Let me know. Talk to me. Rustam, what up? Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Trade till 1 a.m. in the tourney account, up 2,085 so far. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I was up 3,500. And then I took one more trade on gold and I got wrecked. So now I'm only up 2,100. It's always that one more trade. It really is. It really is, especially when you're in a tournament and you're just like YOLOing accounts. That one more trade will really get you. Nice, Rustam. I'm not gonna be trading my tournament account right now. I'm $200 away from a payout, chat. So I'm focusing on my funded accounts to get to the payout, and then I'm gonna switch to the funded account or the tournament account. So I'm just gonna try to get these funded accounts to a payout. So all I need is about 250. Actually, yeah, 250 more. So we're gonna try to do that. And then we'll switch to the tourney account. Mom Bear, you should see my name on there now. They just fixed it. So you should see my name on our team. Nice, Rustam. Congrats. Congratulations. Not a bad range so far. 110 points. Am I ninth? Let's see. Hold on. On the team? It's gotta be on the team, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, in ninth. Big Habibi Trades is up 7,200 in the account. Holy. Holy. That's crazy. Gold? Yes. Gold is I'm glad they allowed people to trade gold, man, because that's the mover. That is the mover. Chat, I cannot stop yawning, bro. I feel like I slept like crap last night, to be honest, chat. I'm kind of tired, bro. I'm actually tired. Is gold pumping? Let's see. Let's take a look. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Look at gold. Huh. Yeah, gold definitely was kind of trying to send it right there. And gold trying to send it. All right, let's see, my DoorDasher's on the way. Oh, my DoorDasher's on the way, chat. Holy. Celsius inbound. Celsius is inbound, baby. Holy. The best sellers here on the NAS. We have news coming out in 10 minutes. 10 minutes, chat. 10 minutes. Jame, we doing a duck race today? I don't know. Haven't thought about it. Maybe. Kind of to see how I feel. See if I'm in the mood, chat. Thankfully, I don't do any energy drinks. I probably shouldn't, but I'm addicted. Like a crack fiend for energy drinks for Celsius. I'm addicted to Celsius. Actually. All right, where's my dasher at? DoorDasher's in the neighborhood. Wait to ask when he gets his Celsius. Let me get the caffeine flowing through the veins, and then we might do a duck race. We do have to do a duck race for the internal giveaway. I think we're going to do that this afternoon. In fact, let me post that in Discord real quick. All right, let me put that in the announcements channel too. So if you use code JM with Tradify and send me a screenshot, enter that giveaway for the 150K straight to funded account, chat. We're doing that giveaway for you guys this afternoon. This afternoon. We'll see if we do another one this morning. Maybe. Let me get the caffeine flowing in the vein, see how I feel. Maybe. All right, kind of hanging out here at VWAP on Nasdaq. We have about 6 minutes until news drops. My DoorDasher is here. Let me get my Celsius. Oh my god, did my camera actually fuck? Oh my god, dude. Chat, I left my camera on all night again, dude. It's a bad habit and it's killing me. Hold on, let me see if I can get my camera back on. All right, hopefully it stays on. All right, Mr. Bond. What up? What up? What up? Chat, we got Celsius. Celsius secured. Holy. News coming out in about 3 minutes. Carrie. Oh, baby caffeine getting ready to flow through the veins. Caffeine about to flow through the veins. Miss K's in the building. What's up, Miss K? How you doing? Huh? How you doing? Talk to me. How you doing? Protect your profits, everyone. Exactly, bro. Exactly. How's Grand Cup going so far? Oh, we're up 2,000 to 2,100 in the tournament account. So we're doing okay. Chat, if you haven't hit the like button, bro, do me a favor. Smash that like button. Let's get the likes on the stream, dog. How about it, huh? How about it? Let's get some likes on the stream, man. Nasdaq kind of just consolidating under VWAP here. We have about 2 minutes until news. They're going to be hanging out until we get news, and then we'll see about taking some trades here if we get an opportunity. Do you say that we can trade gold for the tourney? Yes, you can. You can trade gold for the tourney. Just 1 minute. You can trade 2 minis on gold. Max contract size is 2 minis. All right, news is out. News is out. Oh yeah, there's gonna be a ton of people reset. Tons of people. All right, Nasdaq selling a little bit here. Yeah, there's a lot of people breaking the rules. I don't get how people didn't understand what the rules were. Like, I mean, I read that and I read it perfectly. Like, okay, like it's 2 minis or 10 micros. Like it's, I don't get how people, I'm like, there were some people that like were saying they were confused. Like they thought that you could trade 2 minis or and 10 micros, not 2 minis or 10 micros. They thought it was and. Like, how do you, like, I don't know how they confuse that. I thought the rules were clear. But then there are also people who are cheating just to cheat. Yeah, you can do 5 minutes after, or yeah, 5 minutes after 5K. $164 range on the day so far, chat. Not bad. Not bad. Looking pretty good. Nasdaq trying to come back up to the VWAP here. Chat, we're going to be trading pretty patient today. All we need is $250 to make a payout. So we just got to be patient. Wait for the right setup. I'm not going to be forcing anything. I want the setup to be obvious. You know what I mean? I don't need it to be obvious. If we get a payout, that'll be 20K in 2 weeks, chat. 20K, 2 weeks. Not bad. So we're just trying to be extra patient. Just wait for the most obvious setups that we could take. Try to make our 250, and then we'll switch to the tourney account. Appreciate you, Bielka. Nasdaq still seeing some sellers here. I'm just like reading all the updates here from like the attorney and the rule updates and or the rule clarifications and for the Tradeify Grand Cup tourney. Because Brett posted some things and I just don't get how people were confused, bro. Like, it's so weird. It's odd. Nasdaq just seeing a little bit of sellers here trying to drive us down. Maybe we get down to like the 20s if sellers are going to continue to drive us downwards. We do have an unfilled gap here. I just reminded you what I remind you of. What did I just remind you? Are you gonna tell me, Redneck? What did I remind you, bro? Now I want to know. Can't just leave me hanging. Holy, Redneck just sent out 5 gifted memberships. Holy, check your noties because you might have just received a free membership. Holy. Redneck, appreciate you. Told myself I would do that on my first payout. Oh, nice. GG's, baby. Holy. Appreciate you. Chat, you might have just received a membership. To support the channel for absolutely free. That's incredible. Redneck, appreciate you. GG's, Redneck. GG's, Redneck Trays, baby. Holy. Josh, what up? What'd I miss? You missed a membership from Redneck. Trader 007, what's up? How you doing? Huh? Talk to me. How you doing? Talk to me, bro. How you doing? Nice bullish candle there, taking out some of this selling. Is that going to be enough to send us back up? Retesting VWAP. Nice test of the VWAP ski. .007 has to leave before the tuck race. I agree, bro. I agree. He Cherry 007 wins them all the time. It's kind of crazy. Nasdaq just kind of chilling here at VWAP. I like the move up here back to VWAP. See if we can get an entry long. I do like the longs from that bullish engulfing candle there. So we'll see if we can get some pullback to attempt a long off of. Buyers trying to get us back above VWAP here. Can they do it? Can they get us back above VWAP? I'd like a pullback first. I want a pullback first, chat. Holy. It's looking good. Was 1,000 ahead in the cup? Nice. You will return? I will be expecting that. I'll be expecting it, bro. Look at Nasdaq getting us back above VWAP. Also, chat, if you missed yesterday's live where we talked about the second part, for the second video, the free day trading course series on YouTube, the recording of that's going to be up today. So if you missed it yesterday, don't worry, the recording will be up today. Nasdaq still just kind of hanging out here at VWAP. Nothing that I'm really excited to take just yet. So we'll see if we get something. Chat, my camera died again, bro. Oh my God. I'm just gonna go cameraless, chat. I'm going cameraless today. Chat, if I just posted the rule clarification, yeah, I saw that, and I saw Brett post it as well on Twitter. So we are going cameraless today, chat, just because I don't know why my camera is. I left my camera on all night long because I was recording stuff and then I forgot to turn it off, and then here we are. So yeah. So at least for right now, we'll go cameraless. Maybe we turn it back on here in a minute. Maybe we turn it back on here in a minute. Getting a little pullback here on Nasdaq. A little pullback on the Nazi Nas. Who's the top three of my team? I don't know. You'll have to check the leaderboard for the team. I think Big Habibi trades Nishi Shukla and then Himanshu Lakra. Out of the top 3. Oh, Nasdaq might be coming down in lows. You can check the trade. It's on the TradeFi's Grand Cup website. Just go to the TradeFi Grand Cup website. You'll see it. Yeah, so after it's end of day. So like if your end of day is over 5K, then you can trade 5 minis the next trading session. Nice, Miss Venture. Another little buy up there. I'm gonna take the long here. Three micros. We're 3 micros long. At 101. If we come run the lows, we'll get stopped out. But I like the fact that we ran these lows and then bought up out of it. Buyers were trying. But it looks like we're coming right back down the lows again. Man, what a tug of war here. Okay. Nasdaq's struggling right here. Okay, good buy up there. Not what I wanted to see there. I want to see buyers hold that buy, but not looking good. Yeah, probably gonna get stopped out here. Probably stopped out. There we go. Stopped out. Well, buyers tried to hold that. Couldn't quite hold it though. Couldn't quite hold it. That was unfortunate. Oh, now it's trying to buy up again. That's gonna be annoying. That's gonna be annoying. All right, so we'll wait for the next one. Wow, look at that. Stopped out to the tick. To the absolute tick, bro. Bounce off volume profile. I thought maybe we were going to get a move at least to like 119s, which is probably where I would have taken it off. But I don't know. It's just kind of acting weird down here. Acting a little funky. Buyers trying to buy it up. Yep. There they go. Buyers buying it up. That's what I wanted to see. Well, I wanted to see us get above 119s here. Looking like they might try to do it. I don't know. It's just like a big tug of war down here, bro. It's like there's no... Like buyers are trying to buy it, but then like the continuation is just so weak. Very weak continuation. And then they sell it right back down. This is choppy, chat. Very, very choppy. Probably gonna run the lows now. Yep, there it goes. Apple bounce. Bow it up. All right, sellers now sending us back down. That was just a weird little chop zone, bro. So weird. Possibly coming back down to the 16s. Any trades? Yeah, I taking one. Stopped out for a small loss. Gold 50 EMA. 3-minute support. So, Nasdaq is continuing to come back down here. Nasdaq getting the continuation of the downside. Took 2, 1 loss, 1 win, back to break even. Now locked out. I'm 500 away from passing eval. Nice. Love that. Love that. Love that. Love that. Take it slow. Take it slow. We'll try to turn the camera back on here in a little bit, chat. I'm letting it kind of just chill for a minute. Decent range on the NQ. I mean, we have a, let's see, from 65, 36. I mean, 229 points. It's not bad. Not bad. Looking like we might go test 26,000s even. $26,000 evens coming into play, chat. What do we think? We do have that gap that's unfilled down here. We do have that unfilled gap. All right, initial balance levels are set. So we have IB low at 33. Right now, Nasdaq still selling through, potentially coming down to this gap, chat. We might be doing it. We had that gap from 26,012 to 25,995, 994. We'll see if we get that move down to fill that gap. About to fill that gap right now. Actually, we run this level here at 17, so we're gonna go fill it. We are gonna go fill it. Gap fill inbound, baby. Holy. Came back above IB low there. Sellers driving it back down. Retesting IB low. $12,766 in the comp. Nice. Good work. Gonna get whiplashless PA. Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely kind of weird. I mean, I think we go at this point. I would think we go fill the gap. At this point, I don't see why we wouldn't. Well, we ran those lows and then bought up from it. And we're buying. That is crazy. This PA is just insanity, dude. I mean, we're moving down, but man, it is just like a buy up, sell off, buy up, sell off, buy up, sell off, buy up, sell off. Like it's just crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I was like, are we actually going to buy up from here? Or are we going to continue to sell and go fill the gap? Wow. Now we're going to buy up. Top guy on your team is, yeah, he's up 7.6. I saw that. What a buyout from the lows there. Never came down to fill the gap. Like, we legit tested the top of the gap and then bought up from it. Buying all the way. Are we about to go all the way back to VWAP chat? All the way back to the VWAP ski? We just bought back above that 83. That buy was dirty. Yeah, it was. That was an insane buy up. Like, it's just absolutely filthy. Like for us to test the top of the gap like that and not even really test it, I mean, not even like come down inside of it is just crazy. So I feel like that buy up happened so fast too. Happened quick. In a little bit of a pullback here. Little bit of a pullback. I don't know. I'm just like, I'm sketched out about PA today, chat. I don't know about you guys, but PA just has me like really sketched out. Like we had such like a steep sell off here, and now we're ripping it, which feels like we could rip into oblivion. But it's like, I don't know how I feel about longing after all of this and almost filling the gap there. I mean, I guess catching a buy up after testing the gap, I mean, makes sense, but I don't know. We are getting ready to come up to VWAP here. I don't know, chat. I don't know. Might just see what happens up here at VWAP if we get up to it. If we get up to it. Nasdaq potentially catching a steep little sell here. Nice sell here on Nas. It's like the moves are like just aggressive. It's like when it changes direction, it gets very aggressive, and it's like you don't really, it's not really giving me like the entries I want to get because it's happening so fast. I mean, I can see this being a potential buy up here after sweeping here, making a little higher low, buying up out of it. Like I could see that happening. I'm just worried about, you know, if sellers decide to come back in and how aggressive they're going to get, because they can be pretty aggressive, as we've already seen today. Feels like a fuck you candle's coming. It really does. Markets, I mean, it's moving really just rapidly, it feels like. I mean, sellers are really kicking up. There's a big buy up there. It's that shit that I just hate. Like that buy like just makes it feel like it could buy all the way back up to VWAP. You know what I mean? Like, is this going to be a higher low here and then send us right back to VWAP? I mean, it's just, dude, PA is so dirty, chat. There's gonna be a lot of blown accounts today. Lots of blown accounts today, chat. There's gonna be a lot of people reversing positions off this type of PA. I can see that. Like positions just getting absolutely like they reversing them, like getting long and then getting short and then getting long and then getting short. I can see that happening a lot today. Nice little buy up there. It's like this type, it just makes it feel like it wants VWAP, but like we could retest this level and just absolutely reject it because that's what we've done over and over again. Look left, like we rejected it over and over again. It's been a hard level. I don't know, maybe a push through it this time would be a lot of strength, but I don't know, dude. I mean, we've rejected this over and over and over again. Look here, bang, look here, bang, look at this now, struggling. Like it's just a hard level. So I feel like if we were to push through that, that would be extremely bullish. Likely to see VWAP at that point. Sellers are just absolutely relentless at this level. Gold is moving much nicer. Might have to switch over to gold. Might have to switch. Because the Nasdaq ain't it. I mean, we've had a nice move down the Nasdaq, but it's so whiplashy, which is why I'm not really like a huge fan of the PA. Even though we've had a nice move down and we're catching a nice buy up, like it's the whiplash that is just makes it hard to trade. Like why we can't get over 90 back into like the 100 is just insane to me. Like what is it about this level that is just sellers are so relentless? I mean, there he goes again, just rejecting it. I mean, it's just insane. That's the whiplash I'm talking about, chat. It's that whiplash that is just makes it very, very hard. Breaking back into the hundreds. I mean, it could get bullish if we can get back in the hundreds. We just got to get into the hundreds. There you go. You know what they say when the markets don't show a clear direction, do a cash giveaway. A cash giveaway, huh? Not even a prop firm account giveaway, a cash giveaway. That's crazy. Gold sold off nicely. Right back to VWAP. How much cash, Redneck? How much cash am I supposed to do? Look at Nasdaq. Right back below the hundreds and 90s, dude. Holy. Like, that's just crazy. Screw that, chat. I'm not like I don't want nothing to do with the Nasdaq. Screw that, bro. I'm good off all that. Gold trying to catch a little buy up here off VWAP. Typical Monday price action for you? Yeah, it's just garbage. I mean, there's definitely money to be made. There's no doubt about that. Like, there's money to be made, and it's just, can you withstand the whiplash? You know, that's really what it comes down to, is can you sit through all the back and forth to catch your move? Most people are going to be, I would say most traders are going to be reversing positions left and right today. Sun Park, what up? Oh, we're taking one trade so far. Haven't really taken anything else. Not really This PA has me super sketched out, but we took one loss today. Nasdaq starting to sell again. Gold is kind of hovering here. Chat, are you guys trading this? Have y'all been trading this, bro? How are y'all managing? Especially if you're trading the Nasdaq. What are y'all doing? How many people entered in the competition? Oh God, like I have no idea. Thousands. Could probably go to leaderboard and go to the very last place and see. It's like 7,274. $200 overall, Sun Park. Actually, 7,000 doesn't sound right. I feel like there's more than that. Oh wait, it shows right here. 12,632 traders. That's what it shows right here. I look on the leaderboard, it says showing 1 to 10 of 12,632 traders. That's what it shows. So I don't know. Somewhere around there. You're ranked 49 for Team JM. Let's go. Sun Park. A lot of people are gonna get reset because they cheated. You're not gonna see. You're gonna see a lot of people. A lot of people on the leaderboard fall off because they're gonna be. Brett's gonna reset them because they were doing things they weren't supposed to. That's how. That's why you're seeing those big profits. I wouldn't trip over it. Gold. Still catching some sellers. Gold potentially catching more sellers here. See if we go run 14s and 12s on gold. Looking like it's going to. Rooting for Team JM. Holy, you love to see it. 5 minutes will be available tomorrow if your balance is over 5K by the end of tonight. So I guess we'll see tomorrow. Yeah, if you have over 5K today in your balance, and you should be able to trade 5 minis tomorrow. But a lot of people are going to blow their accounts doing it, but you know. You know. Nasdaq really, or sorry, gold unable to run that 14. Bought up from it. Very interesting, chat. Very interesting. Hey, what up, Jonathan? What up, what up, what up? Very interesting strategy. What'd you think? Chat, who's winning on who's the leader on Team JM right now? Let's take a look. Hang on. Let's see who's winning. Let's go to wait, where's my team at? There we go. We have Nishu Shukla. Nishi Shukla is up 8,426. Big Habibi is now in second at 7,262 in profit. Blah. Blah. Of 7,100, bro. Holy. I haven't traded the tourney account today. I'm in 12th with 2,000 in profit. Once we trade these funded accounts that I have, then I'm gonna switch the tournament account, chat, and then it's game on. Then it's game on. What's crazy is there's gonna be people that blow out their accounts in the first day, guaranteed. Again, guaranteed. There's people that are gonna reset like 3 times, blow through all of their resets on this tournament, and just it's over with. Presley says I'm coming for the top spot. Holy, let's see let's see what the leaderboard looks like. I have to see if they've reset anybody on it. Doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like it. Oh, there we go. Look at gold. There goes gold. Gold now pushing below those 14s, potentially coming below the 12s. Interesting spot would be really the 4,000s on gold. I mean, that's not that far away. So 4,000s on gold, I don't think is too far out of reach. Intuitive relies on analytical skills. I like it. Sweet. Practice it. Try it. Paper accounts, prop firm accounts. Find a way to make it work for you. We have another video coming out today. Chat, as a reminder, because that does remind me. The video coming out today is from the live that we did yesterday. It's the second part or second video in the free day trading course series that I'm putting here on YouTube. So if you missed that live session that we did yesterday, don't worry, the recording is going to be up today. It's again, right now we're kind of laying the foundations, right? Because again, everybody, like all the courses out there, they can teach you, you know, trend lines and charting and looking for like how and learning how to read price action. But at the end of the day, if you don't know how to think as a trader, none of that's going to matter, right? And so if you got to learn how to think. So the goal of this series that we're doing here on YouTube is to teach you guys how to think. So right now we're kind of going through like the psychological side of things. We are going to go over charts and technical analysis and reading order flow and price action stuff. We will cover that. But the most important part that a lot of people look over and don't teach is how to think. So right now we are going through the psychological portion of being a trader and learning how to think as a trader. And so as we work through that, we will get into more of the technicals, but there is some absolute golds in these videos. A lot of people are getting value out of them. So I would be on the lookout for the video that's being uploaded today. It's going to probably hit home for you. If you missed the live video yesterday, this video is probably going to hit home for you. So be on the lookout for that. Hey, Miss K is back in the building. What's up, Miss K? How you doing, huh? Talk to me. How you doing? Miss K, I don't listen. Holy, listen, GG's. I ain't even mad about that comment, bro. That was spot on. That was good. That was good because the camera's off. I don't have my camera on, bro. My camera's off. Touche. Too freaking shade, bro. Wow. Hey, at least the stream is less shiny. You know what I mean? You gotta see the bald head glistening, bro. And trust me, I got it nice and lathered up and just Vaseline and baby oil. And listen, the head is shiny. It is glistening, bro. Absolutely glistening. I can walk in a dark room and light that thing up right now. Listen. It is absolutely lathered. Redneck Trades caught the drop, but looking now for something solid to re-enter. Copy trader screwed me, but at least I'm up on my master account. Hey, there you go. At least you're up. Yeah, you gotta be careful with those copy trades, man. Especially if you use third-party apps like TradeSync or Replicanto. That's why I stick to Tradevate now. I just stick to Tradevate's internal copier because I don't get screwed. I've been screwed so many times trading with Replicanto and using that copy trader. I've been screwed so many times. Like, there's been times where I've had Replicanto on, but I guess there was like multiple Replicanto windows open on my computer and I didn't know. So all of my copy trades got duplicated like 10 times. Golly, dude, my heart sank. Gold still seeing a little bit of sellers here. A little bit of sellers. Also, chat, Tradeify is 30% off now. You can use code JAM to lock it in. We are going to do another monthly giveaway, chat. We are going to do a monthly giveaway. So, if you do use code JAM and Tradeify, be sure to send me a screenshot because that'll enter you for a free Trade Funded account with Tradeify. That'll be the monthly internal giveaway. For those that did use code JM last month, we are doing the giveaway for you guys this afternoon on the live stream. So we'll go live this afternoon again, and then we'll do the giveaway for everybody that used code JM at Tradeify. That'll be for a free 150K straight to funded account, bro. Must be lucky I should haven't had issues with Replicanto since last summer. Hey, there you go. Love it. You do got to be careful. CL is making a little move up. It's like watching paint dry though. Oof. Oof, oof, oof. Do you have to be here to win this afternoon? No. Not for this one. On all the other giveaways we do, yeah, you do. But for this one, you don't have to be here. All right, so gold did run that level and bought straight up out of it. Going right back to VWAP here. Be interesting to see gold catch a buy up here. PA today is just, I think all around the price action today is just kind of, it's not great, chat. It really isn't. It's not, this isn't the best day for trading. PA is not the best. What's Nasdaq doing? Nasdaq's just full of whiplashes. That's why I'm trying to stay out of it. I mean, look at it, bro. Look at this. Like, look at the whiplash here, chat. That is absolutely disgusting, dude. I mean, we've been talking about it. Like this level, we saw this steep sell-off from that 90 to 100, and then We tested it again, saw us off again. We finally got back above it, saw us off again. It's like this level, for whatever reason, sellers are just persistent. I mean, they're just holding us down. Buyers can't seem to get back above that. They're trying again, but man, it's actually brutal. Very brutal. That's the previous day point of control. Makes sense. Hopefully your duck went to the gym. Gold pulling back a little bit. Seeing some sellers bring us back down here on gold. Maybe even come back down to the lows there. Retesting 4,000s. We technically still have a big level to run here. All right, let's go to the higher time frame and just take a look. Like looking at the higher time frame, I mean, we have level there. If you're extra patient and you wanted to stay out of the trading today, you could wait for something like this to get tested. If you're extra patient on gold, you could wait for something like that. If you decide that you don't want to trade in any of this, which I mean, we are just kind of moving sideways overall in the big picture, but you can wait for a big level like that to get tested. But overall, PA is kind of wonky. What up, Kevin? How you doing? How you doing? Kevin, don't even care about the leaderboard, dude. There were a lot of people that cheated. Like all those $20,000 profits you see there, a lot of people cheated, dude. They're gonna get reset. Don't even trip over it. I think TradeFi is going to reset a lot of those people tonight because they traded more the too large of a contract size. So I wouldn't worry about it too much. But even still, like there are people that are going to be way up there that traded how they needed to and then didn't go over the contract size. Like there's still going to be people that are way up there. How's my account looking? My tournament account's up 2,100. I traded it last night. I haven't traded it today. I'm just working on my funded accounts right now. I may trade gold tonight on the tournament account. I'm really just kind of waiting to let people like sabotage themselves in the tournament. You know what I mean? Like I'm gonna trade like aggressive, but also conservatively aggressive, and kind of just seeing like how many people sabotage themselves, because it's bound to happen. Gold is hovering here in the 410s. Man, I was going to try to build the funded accounts up today, but man. I don't know if this is the day to do that, chat. I really don't. Gold maybe going back to 4,000 again? Yeah, it might be. Getting a little heavy. I mean, even gold's having like whiplash moments, but the Nasdaq is just... Nasdaq's dead. Nasdaq died. RIP the Nasdaq. I mean, this is just gross. I want no part of it. Gold trying to sell again here. Even gold, like just like this move down here just feels too whiplashy. I really don't think I'm going to trade this, chat, to be honest. May wait this afternoon and see if we get better PA this afternoon. So I think that's what I'm going to do, chat. So we'll be back this afternoon. I'm going to call it a morning, go spend time with the kid while PA is being kind of weird and doing what it's doing. So gonna call it a morning, chat. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We'll be back live this afternoon, probably around 12:30 or 1 p.m. Central Time, one of the two. And we'll see what we get.
see what we get. So if you continue trading this, be safe. It is not the best PA. It's kind of choppy, very whiplashy, so be careful. I will see you guys this afternoon.